Hi there, it's Melissa Warner from design firm Masuka Warner. I am so happy to see you again, this time at a really colorful and cheerful home in the Pacific Palisades. I can't wait to show you around. This entry door really started it all. The beautiful, clean tangerine color really set the tone for the rest of the space. Our clients love color, so one of the things that really made them fall in love with this home is the fact that it had this amazing tangerine ceiling. So here, in order to complement the tangerine, I added in some beautiful emerald green, some camel tones, and a hit of fuchsia, which never hurts. I also love an entry that is functional. We of course have put in a console and a settee that's upholstered in a super fun fabric, but it's a great spot to perch while you're putting your shoes on or wait for the rest of your family to get ready. One of the things I love about starting a new project is the challenge of a client telling me, this is a space we never use. That was the case with this space. My action item was make this space one of the best in the house. Wallpaper is such a great way to add some architecture to a room. And by architecture, I mean a real focal point. This orchid color is the perfect complement to the beautiful tangerine in the entry. So how do you put art in a space whose walls are art themselves? Knowing that there was already a lot of pattern on the walls, the really organic spray painting really was a nice juxtaposition. And to complement the piece over the sofa, the piece over the chairs keeps the same color palette, but the subject matter is completely different. So together, they're all just living in harmony. And as we kind of walk through the house, we start a bit bold, and then we get a little bit more serene as we head to the family room. When you have two living spaces in a home, I really like breaking it up so the spaces have totally different functions. The living room, for example, has a single sofa that's a bit more upright and tailored, where in the family room, it's a big U-shaped sectional that's great for watching TV at night or just lounging around the house. The chair in the corner was already used and loved by the client, so we freshened it up with a beautiful poppy fabric and giving the cushions a little more bounce. Overall, the soothing palette in this family room serves as a welcome break to your eye and really tells the story of the family who lives here. Sometimes good design is just doing what feels right. I was just smitten with the color palette of this paper. From the soft green to the punchy marigold to the really soothing lilac, I really started pulling other fabrics into the space based solely on the wallpaper. A pattern headboard against a pattern wallpaper needs a little something to tie it together. This custom colored tape really accents the fabric, and the Greek key motif grounds the headboard against the drama of the wallpaper. Carrying the colors over from the bed area to the seating area is really key in making the whole thing feel cohesive. This sofa actually tricks your eye a little bit. From afar, it looks like it might be just a standard pattern, maybe a paisley, but if you get up close, you can actually see that it's a whimsical rooster pattern. Although the wallpaper is the real showstopper in here, we can't forget about all of the special details and touches that really make the space shine and come alive. The antique brass nail heads on the bench and chair, the starburst pattern on the side table, and even the pattern lampshade. This room is the perfect blend of California casual and whimsy wrapped into one. That's the end of today's tour. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you around. I will see you next time. Bye.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.